Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you 5 ways to fix Google Chrome high disk usage in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So firstly, you have to go to Google Chrome, choose any. Now you'll find on top right corner this three dot icon. Just click on this and go to more option. Sorry, scroll down and you'll find here more. This one, more tools. Now choose Task Manager. This one. Click on this. Now you can see all of these tasks which is running in your background of this browser, so you can check it here. If you find anything unusual or you don't use that thing, you can close that thing. Like this SEO meta in one click, I don't use it anymore, so I will just do right click and this end process. Click on end process. Okay, I'm not using this extension Hola VPN, so I will just do the same. Choose an end process and it will lightweight your PC. After that, you can cross this and go to the next step. The next step is again you have to go to three dot icon which is top right corner. Now go to privacy, go to settings first, and then you'll find here privacy and security. Click on this. Now you have to find here cookies. All right, if you can't find this cookies and other sites data, then you have to click on this third party cookies. Click on this and make sure you are choosing this one, block third party cookies in incognito mode, and you'll find here this option too, block third party cookies, but you can choose this one, block third party cookies in incognito mode, and make sure that send a do not track request which should be disabled. Okay, if it's enabled, then make sure it's disabled. Okay, then go to the next step. The next step is going here again, privacy and security, and you have to go to clear browsing data, the first option, clear browsing data. Then you have to choose all of them except these two, password and other sign data, autofill data. These two should be unchecked and the rest should be checked. Then click on this clear data. Okay, got it. uh, Make sure that you are using this advanced option. If you see that basic, don't do this, just go to advanced, then do the thing. Okay, so after that you have to go to the next step. The next step is again going to this three dot icon which is top right corner, then hover up your mouse to more tools, then you'll find here extensions. Okay, so if you don't find extensions here you can find extensions on top, this one, you can see the cursor, right? Click on this and you'll find all of these extensions here. If you find any extensions that you don't know or that should be deleted, then you can just delete the extension from this here. Like I don't know this extension, go full page. I'm just doing here this unpin and click on this, then just remove from Chrome. I'm just clicking on this remove from Chrome and the extension will be deleted. Okay, so after doing this, you have to go to top right corner three dot icon again and choose settings. These settings. Then you'll find here this reset settings. Click on this reset and you can see here restore settings, the original defaults. Click on this and make sure you are clicking on this reset settings, the blue icon you can see here. Click on this and reset the browser. Now again go top right corner three dot icon and you'll find here help option. In help option you can see about Google Chrome. Just click on this and it will check for updates. If your Google Chrome is not updated, make sure it's updated. So you just wait and it will automatically update it. Okay, now all you have to just restart your computer and check back, your issues will be fixed. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.